So for today's lesson plan, we will be providing you with the login for the Nearpod presentation that we've created. So to begin, you click on the presentation and go to Live Session. This will pop up a code that the students will type in at the top of their Nearpod, and it will allow them to access the PowerPoint presentation that you will take them through. So to begin, we'll just go through the presentation. And this will all be going through as you click it for them. Now you can choose if you would like to play the video through all the devices when you click play, or they can all click play individually, and I'd only suggest this if you have headphones for all of them. So I'm just going to click this device only since we're the only ones using it right now. And then you just click play, and it will play the video on all the students' devices at the same time, as well as yours. And then this is just a poll, so they will click what side of their brain they think is more dominant after watching that video, and then click share, and all their answers will come up, and you'll be able to show that to the rest of the class and kind of contrast and compare. Then we continue through the presentation. And then this is another activity where they will be able to label the different lobes of the brain as they've learned them in the previous slides. And they can just draw on this picture. And then that is it for our presentation.